Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change laptop HP laptop 640 G3 keyboard hard drive and RAM. So let's get started. We'll turn the laptop over and take all the screws out. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 screws, so we'll take them off. Now we'll use sharp plastic, like any sharp plastic bit, to remove the bezel. Just make sure you take all the screws off first. I've removed the black cover. Now as you can see, got two RAM slots here. So if you just pull them, the RAM will come off. I've got two RAM sticks here. This is a PC4 RAM. I've got two 4GB sticks. You can upgrade it to 16GB using 2 times 8GB sticks. So I'm going to leave the RAM as it is. So if you want to upgrade it, you can just use two 8GB sticks. Now we'll leave the RAM, put it back on. Now we'll put the hard SSD in. Just push it in and the hard drive will go off. My laptop doesn't have any caddies, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. And you can use NVMe SSD M.2. So you can't use this one though. You can use just, there is a slot for NVMe. You can just plug it in and then screw it. I'm just using normal SSD drive. So my hard SSD and RAM is in. I'm going to put the back cover back in again. It's quite easy if you have the right tool. So you just need a screwdriver, tiny screwdriver. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.